Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. You're watching CID News Network Islamabad. This is Salwa Shams with today's headlines. Prime Minister Imran Khan is expected to issue a notification for the appointment of a new Director General of the Inter-Services Intelligence today, before his departure to Saudi Arabia on a 3-day-long official visit. Foreign Minister Shah Mahmood Qureshi said after concluding his day-long visit to the neighboring country that Pakistan will provide humanitarian assistance worth 5 billion rupees to Afghanistan. The band Tehreek-e-Labbaik Pakistan announced on Thursday it would start a long march towards Islamabad on Friday. The announcement came after days of protests on Lahore street by members of the religious group. The authorities have blocked roads in Islamabad and Lahore as the government braces for protests organized separately by TLP. President Joe Biden said the United States would come to the defense of Taiwan if the island were attacked by China. Sindh Chief Minister Murad Ali Shah has chaired a cabinet session wherein he approved 200-acre lands to be given away to the Navy for the Naval Cooperative Housing Society. Pakistan has secured cargoes of liquefied natural gas from Qatar to meet energy demands for the consumers. A new COVID-19 variant, which has origins in the US state of California, has been found in several patients in Pakistan. According to National Command and Operations Center, Chief Asad Umar laid emphasis on meeting vaccination target to make sure Pakistan does not face the fifth wave of COVID. The Punjab government has announced it will kick off its door-to-door coronavirus vaccination drive from October 25. Pakistan has recorded 16 new COVID deaths in a day, while the national positivity ratio has dropped to 1.44%. That's all from today's studio. Keep watching CID News Network Islamabad. Thank you.
You are watching CID News Network Islamabad.